So in today's video, we are going to be testing out Koala Sublimation sticker paper. I'm super excited about this. I've been seeing ads all over Instagram and Facebook, and I was curious about it. So we're going to try this out and we're going to see how well it works and if it's easy to use. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and check out my website at sewpresscreate.com. And let's jump into this video. Start off by creating a blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. Use the Shape tool to create a rectangle the size of your paper. Upload your images, press Complex, remove background, and save as a print and cut. Once you have uploaded all of your designs, press Offset and pick what size you want the offset to be. Press Apply and change color to white. Select your design and offset layer, press Flatten. Repeat for the rest of your images. Size them to the size you want them to be. Select them all and press Attach. Make sure they fit inside the rectangle. Hide the rectangle. Then press Make It. Press Send to Printer. Disable Bleed. And press Use System dialog. Minimize your screen. Save as a PDF if using Sawgrass, or print if using another printer. I use my print manager to print. You want to make sure to mirror your design. You're going to need sticker paper, heat tape, butcher paper. Take your sticker paper. You will notice one side is shiny and one side is matte. The shiny side is the side we will be subbing on. Grab your sublimation paper, place your design on the sticker paper. Use heat tape to tape them together. Once done, place butcher paper on mat of heat press. Place sticker paper on heat press with logo of sublimation paper facing up. Place another sheet of butcher paper on top. Press at 370 degrees for 40 seconds. With heat gloves, remove heat tape and pull sublimation paper off. If you get white paper residue on stickers, clean with damp cloth. This is how much ink release I had. Place sticker paper on cutting mat. My mats need to be washed, so I use painter's tape to hold it down. Cut with Cricut. I used the sticker paper setting. My blade is dull and I had to go over it twice. It cut all the way through, kind of. This is how they turned out. This was super fun to do. Again, I wouldn't recommend using the cutting settings I used if you don't want your stickers to be cut through. If you do use that setting, just use less pressure. You can set your pressure to less pressure in the cutting menu screen. But they're really cute and they're vibrant. Again, keep in mind these are clear, so they're going to be transparent. So once you take them off of this white background, they're not going to be as vibrant. But if you put them on something like a white mug, a white tumbler, something with a white background or a light background, it will be more vibrant. But these are fun. I'm going to give these to my daughter so she can decorate whatever she wants to decorate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was pleasantly surprised with these. I'll have the sticker paper link down below in the description along with everything else that I've used. Again, don't forget to subscribe, join my YouTube family, hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also, check out my website at sewpresscreate.com. Check out some of my sublimation templates, sewing practice sheets, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.